city shadows where the wild things roam. A cat and a dog, each claiming a throne.
Class dropping teeth bare, the tension's high. Underneath the silver moon and meet eye to eye. A feline warrior sleek and sly, a canine champion fierce and spry. In the dance of fate under the night sky, who will rise, who will fall in the blink of an eye. The cat moves with grace, like a whisper in the wind. The dog stands strong, with the growl deep within. No words are spoken, just a primal song. In this age-old battle, where they both belong. It's not about the winning, it's about the fight. Two spirits clashing in the pale moonlight. A symphony of instincts raw and pure. In this urban jungle of that you can be sure. A feline warrior sleek and sly, a canine champion fierce and spry. In the dance of fate under the night sky, who will rise and will fall in the blink of an eye. In the city shadows, let them fly. A canine champion, fierce and spry. In the dance of fate under the night sky, who will rise, who will fall in the blink of an eye. The cat moves with grace, like a whisper in the wind. The cat moves with grace, like a whisper in the wind. The cat moves with grace, like a whisper in the wind. Like a whisper in the wind. The dog sank within the wind. The cat moves with grace, like a whisper in the wind. Like a whisper in the wind. The dog sank within the wind. The cat moves with grace, like a whisper in the wind. The dog stands strong with the crowd blowing. The dog stands strong with the crowd blowing. With a hiss and a bark, the battle's begun. Two forces of nature, neither will run. Through alleyways and rooftops, the chase is on. Till the break of dawn, of that you can be sure. In the city shadows, where legends are born, two forces of nature mean the clash of the morn. Through alleyways and rooftops, the chase is on. Till the break of dawn, of that you can be sure. In the city shadows, where legends are born, two forces of nature mean the clash of the morn. Through alleyways and rooftops, the chase is on. Till the break of dawn, of that you can be sure. In the city shadows, where legends are born, a cat and a dog in the clash of the morn. Their story echoes in the city's heart, a timeless tale where they both play their part.